Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can add user by username on Telegram. So now right here I open my Telegram. So now to add someone by username, what we can do is just to tap on the search icon right here. Now we will go into search the name of that person. For example, I just tap any name that I want. So now, by typing any name or username right here on search bar, there will be many suggestions that has that name. So now for example, by typing the name right there on search bar, you can now start your conversation with them. Just tap on their name and then start conversation. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!